Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the COSMAC Professional Makeup Kit for women and girls. A 17-piece bridal combo set crafted for all skin tones, perfect for creating stunning wedding looks or everyday glam. Let's dive into this beauty treasure and see if it's the ultimate bridal must-have. First up, the packaging. It's sleek, stylish, and screams gift-ready, ideal for brides or makeup lovers wanting a complete set. Inside, we've got a variety of goodies, starting with the Flawless Makeup Base Primer Mini. This lightweight formula smooths my skin and keeps everything in place. A bridal essential. Next, the HD Foundation in a natural shade. Its creamy blends seamlessly and offers full coverage that suits all complexions. I applied it and it hid my blemishes without feeling heavy. Perfect for long wedding days. Then the up to 24 Hours Stay 4x1 eyeshadow palette. 4 versatile shades from mattes to shimmers. I swatched them and they're pigmented and blendable. I created a soft bridal eye look in minutes. The one-stroke eyeliner is jet black and precise. I drew a wing and it stayed put all day. Waterproof vibes for sure. The Lash Twist mascara in black adds volume and length. My lashes looked lush and photo ready. Then the eyebrow pencil. It's easy to use and defined my brows naturally. A total game changer. Finally, the Velvet Liquid Lipstick, one of 12 shades. I picked a bold red and it's silky transfer proof and lasted hours. Perfect for that bridal kiss. This kit also includes brushes, a sponge, and more. Everything's high quality and skin friendly. Not luxury, but for the price, it's a steal. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full bridal look with this set. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.